Yes. Good morning, beta. Yesterday we were doing exercise 3.3, question number 5 till 5th question we had done. 6th question I had given you for the homework. Any doubt in 6th question? Have you tried? Have you tried 6th question? And what about the other students? Last 6th question. Question number 6 is the two adjacent angles of a parallelogram A, B, C, D. These are the two adjacent angles and they are equal. Let each angle be x. Let adjacent angles be x each. Now you have to find the measurement of each angle of a parallelogram. Now you have to find each angle. How you will find this? Yes. बोलो, आपको ही कह रही हूँ. Sum of co-interior angle is 180. So you will get each as 90 degree. And opposite angles of a parallelogram are also equal. If you are getting this angle as 90, so C will also be 90. If B is 90, D is also 90. Okay. Sit down. And one more way is there. Before finding this angle X, you can also write opposite angle are equal. So this angle is also X and sum of all the four angles is 360. You can proceed in this manner also. So write down. जैसे मर्जी कर सकते हो. It is as per your choice. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. This implies now sum of all these angles is 360 by angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle by जो ऑनलाइन क्लास में उनकी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर ले. इसमें कोई है नहीं, मैं किसको बोलूँ. अनन्या भी नहीं है क्लास में. आई है अनन्या? ये है अनन्या? अच्छा ठीक है, लिखो मार्क करो अटेंडेंस. पेज निकाल लो, मैं बोलती हूँ. नेम परी, जानवी, राधिका. नहीं पेंसिल है. लविश, 39 रोल नंबर. सिमरप्रीत रोल नंबर 1. 10 15 17 18 22. प्रभशरण Question number 7 is, figure is given to you and the figure is in the form of parallelogram and the name is HOPE. HOPE. The angles X, Y, Z you have to find. This is X. This angle is 70. What is this angle called? क्या कहते हैं इस एंगल को? 70 कौन सा एंगल है? अच्छा, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. रुद्रांश है नहीं? Yes, last one. 70 degrees. Which angle? Which type of angle? राधिका, ये कौन से टाइप का एंगल है? बोलो परी. यस, एक्सटीरियर एंगल. बाहर फॉर्म हो रहा है ना, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. दिस इज 40, दिस इज Z, दिस इज Y. You have to find X, Y, Z. Actually, this is a parallelogram, so you can apply all the properties of parallelogram. ठीक है? Now we are going to find the angle, so you will use the property that is related to angle. ठीक है? साइड की नहीं यूज करेंगे, साइड के रिगार्डिंग पैरेलल लाइन यूज कर सकते हैं. पैरेलल लाइन से कौन से एंगल आते हैं? ऑल्टरनेट एंगल, corresponding angles. Who will tell me how you will find this? Yes, last one. Can you tell how you will find X? कोई भी X, Y, Z, anything you can tell. निधि लिख लो, निधि, मतांगी, कविश. बोलो. Angle Y is equal to 40. Why? Alternate interior angle. Actually, these lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So this angle is touching the transversal line and parallel line. And same way, this angle is 40 degrees meeting this line, transversal and parallel line. So Y is equal to 40 degree alternate interior angles. Sit down. Bolo Verma. Next. नहीं है ठीक, लेकिन little bit mistake is there. सरूची. बोलो आप. ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, but one more way is there. बोलो आरिश. The way he has spoken, corresponding angle, but little bit mistake was there. Actually, this line is parallel. This is a transversal. तो पैरेलल लाइन के नीचे वाला पूरा एंगल और पैरेलल लाइन के नीचे वाला पूरा एंगल 40 प्लस Z इज इक्वल टू 70 कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. इसने सिर्फ Z बोला था ना, बट पैरेलल लाइन, ये पैरेलल लाइन है दोनों, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है लाइन के इधर इधर, यहाँ पे 40 प्लस Z पूरा आएगा और ये 70. तो 40 प्लस Z इज इक्वल टू 70 कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. दिस यू कैन टेक एंड द अनदर वे दैट योर नेम Shabad has spoken, you will find this angle 1 by using angle sum property in this small, by using linear pair, then you can use angle sum property to find angle Y. ठीक है? But I think better way is this, क्योंकि इसमें लेस स्टेप है और उसमें दो पार्ट करने, एक बार linear pair, एक बार angle sum property. तो better to go for this. 40 plus Z is equal to 70 corresponding angles. Is it okay? So Z is equal to 30 degree. Now we have got Z, we have got Y, we have already find out. Now X. Bolo, bolo, bolo. This. Then you will use. One more way is here, that is, ये opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. ये कौन सा एंगल है? लीनियर पेयर से कितना आ जाएगा? 110 and both will be equal. This will, थोड़ी ना आवाज कम करो. Angle 1 you will find out by using linear pair. Then X is equal to 110 ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम आर। और अगर ऐसे नहीं आता, जो आपका दिल करता है कर दो, करेक्ट है सारा कुछ, ठीक है। मेथड करेक्ट होना चाहिए, कोई बात नहीं, हो सकता है को इंटीरियर से, हो सकता है इन दोनों का सम 180, x प्लस 40 प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180। ये एंगल प्लस ये एंगल, को इंटीरियर एंगल। z कितना है 30, 70 प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180, x आ जाएगा 110, वो भी चलेगा, ठीक है। चलो हम कौन सा कर रहे थे, लीनियर पेयर से। एंगल 1 प्लस 70 इज इक्वल टू 180 लीनियर पेयर। एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 110, एंगल x इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 110, ठीक है। एंगल 1 110 आ गया, एंड बोथ विल बी इक्वल, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ is it okay? Your name? राघव। पूरा टाइम मैंने क्लास में नहीं देखा आपको। नेम? माधव। क्या नेम? प्रणव? अनंत? अनंत। आपका? सक्षम। तन्मय। अंश। ठीक। Any doubt? Start the next question. That's very much easy. Start the 8th question, first part. Anjani. Yes, can you tell me which property you will apply in the 8th question, first part? Yes, I want response from each and everyone. बोलो आप। 8th question, first part. Which property you will apply? 8th question, first part. Which figure is given? Parallelogram. Sides given है. Can you tell me the property related to sides? क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है साइड की? ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल। इक्वल होंगी तो 26 किसके इक्वल होगा? देखो बुक में, 26 will be equal to 3y minus 1 and 3x will be equal to 18. तो वहां एक जगह से x आ जाएगा and from the second place you will get y. Solve this. Write down. Write down. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, 3x is equal to 18 and 26 is equal to 3y minus 1. Okay. Now solve this. How you will get value of x? बोलो आप रुद्रांश. Very bad. बोलो आप. नहीं आता. How you will go to 9th class? It doesn't seem that you want to go. You are unable to tell me how you will find the value of x. It's very easy. ये इसके साथ क्या हो रहा है? It will be divide. X is equal to -1. Then go to this side to become plus. And the reason for this is opposite side of parallelogram are equal. प्रणव.
मैम वो जरा आंसर देने के लिए किया था बस।
Okay. Start the next part. Diagonals are given. This again, the second figure is of parallelogram. Diagonals are given. Can you tell me the related property of diagonal? Diagonal. Bolo Ananya. Diagonals. Diagonals are? They are not equal, but they are bisecting each other. So half a portion will be equal. Write down. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. ये given है आपके पास 16 x plus y, this is 20, this is y plus 7. Write down. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. What will happen, Rudransh, if diagonals bisect each other? Then this half portion will be equal to this. X plus y is equal to 16. And from here, y plus 7 is equal to 20. Got it? Y is equal to 20 minus 7. That is 13. Clear? Now, you will put this 13 in this equation. X plus 13 is equal to 16. Okay. ये पैरेललोग्राम है, एक ये पैरेललोग्राम है। पहले इसकी बात करते हैं। अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम है, ये 120 है, तो इससे कौन सा एंगल फाइंड कर सकते हैं? एक्चुअली मैं आपको इतना बता देती हूँ, हमें ये ट्रायंगल के एंगल चाहिए। हाँ जी, 120। कैन वी फाइंड दिस एंगल और दिस एंगल? हाउ? एडजेसेंट एंगल, को इंटीरियर एंगल। ये कितना आ जाएगा? 120 नहीं आएगा, 60 आएगा। को इंटीरियर का सम कितना होता है? 180। 180 माइनस 120 विल बी 60। ये 60 आ जाएगा। यहाँ लिख देते हैं, थोड़ा कंजस्टेड हो जाएगा। 60 आ गया। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस पैरेललोग्राम। इफ दिस इज 70, अनन्या इधर देखो, if this is 70, then this angle will be 70. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are. Now this is a small triangle. Two angles we have got. By using angle sum property, you can get the third angle. Again, listen to me. Actually, this parallelogram is given. This angle was given. We don't need this angle. By the co-interior angle, means by the adjacent angle, the sum of these two angles is 180. 180 minus 120 will give you 60. And in this parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. If this is 70, this angle will be 70. Now, this is a small triangle. So by angle sum property, you will take 70, 60 and angle x. That will form 180 degree. And by subtracting 180 minus these two angles, you will get the missing angle x. Is it okay? Write down. Write down. Risk, RISK, risk is a parallelogram. लिखो, write down. डायरेक्ट नहीं लिख रहे, नेम से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. रिस्क इज अ पैरेललोग्राम therefore angle K plus angle S is equal to 180 co-interior angles. Is it okay? Angle K was 120. So angle S you will get as 60. Is it okay? Any doubt? Now let's consider the another parallelogram, and the name of the another parallelogram is clue. Clue is another parallelogram another parallelogram in which angle E is equal to angle L. Both are equal. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, is it clear? Now consider that small triangle EOS. Consider the small triangle EOS. In triangle EOS, angle 70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180. Angle sum property. Is it okay? So x you will get as 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Clear? आपको समझ आ रहा है? नेक्स्ट टाइम रिस्पॉन्स आना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं बैठना जैसे बैठते हो. Read out the next question and try to tell me the solution of that question. It's very easy. इसमें ये नहीं फाइंड करना. Which two sides are parallel, not angle. Why? Interior angles, co-interior angles. Angles is क्या है co-interior angle का sum? Yes. If the sum of the two co-interior angles is 180, then we can say that lines are parallel. And in a quadrilateral, if one pair of side is parallel, then the figure will become trapezium. Okay. When one pair of angle, co-interior angle is giving you the sum as 180 degree, therefore the lines must be parallel. Write down. Angle L plus angle M आपके पास ये फिगर गिवन है, ये एंगल L है, ये M है, ये 80 है, ये 100 है. इन दोनों एंगल्स का सम क्या आ रहा है? 180. तो यू विल राइट हियर एंगल L प्लस एंगल M इज, हाँ जी कोई बात नहीं, चलो ये 100 है, ये 80 है, ठीक है, चलो बात तो एक ही है, ऐड ही करना है. ये 80, ये 100 एंड द सम इज 180. And if the sum is 180, it means that lines are, which lines are parallel? ये line. Got it? ये angle कहाँ बन रहा है? It is formed between this line and this transversal. And in the same manner, this angle is touching this line and transversal. So these two lines are parallel. And the name of the line is KL is parallel to NM. This implies KLMN is a trapezium. And one more thing is missing here. They are co-interior angle. 180. तो अब यहाँ क्या लिखोगे? Co-interior angle. ये मत करो. टिक मत करो. They are co-interior angles. Therefore, lines must be parallel, and the figure will become a trapezium. If two pair of sides are parallel, then this will become parallelogram. If two pair of opposite sides become parallel, then the figure is parallelogram. If one pair of side is parallel, then the figure is a trapezium. Okay. Read out the next question. Read out, yes. Parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. If same figure है, कहता है ये साइड इसके पैरेलल है, ये एंगल 120 है, तो ये एंगल कितना होगा? कितना होगा? ये कौन से एंगल है दोनों? अगर ये एंगल आपके पास 120 गिवन है, then how you will find this angle? 180 minus 120. That will give you 60 degrees. Write down. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. These two sides are parallel, and BC is a transversal. BC is a this implies angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Which type of angle they are? Co-interior angles. Angle B is 120. Then C will be 60. Got it? Ananya, clear आपको? Yes. There is no difference between angle and C. How you are writing? C को ठीक करो. Should be proper curve. One question is pending and time is already over. So you please read out the last question and try to find out the solution. Do it, hurry up. Bolo. How you will find this? How you will find this? The sum of these two angles is 180. Reason? The sum of these two angles is 180 because sides are parallel and this is a. So sum of these two angles is 180 co-interior angle. कितना आ जाएगा? 50. Again, lines are parallel. This is a transversal. So sum of these two angles is 180 co-interior. कितना आ जाएगा? We have find out these two angles by using parallel line. Is there any other way to find out this angle? Okay, we will discuss tomorrow.